boys and girls, welcome back. I haven't seen you for a few weeks, but oh boy, am I glad to be back. Now, I have a lot of videos planned and an even more amount of giveaways that I want to do, and we'll talk about that in a minute, but I've got some big stuff planned. And speaking of giveaways, today we're going to be giving away 4 1-ounce pieces of silver. So 4 1-ounce coins or 4 1-ounce rounds. I'm not sure yet. We'll decide that. But they will be brilliant and circulated, brand new silver coins and or rounds or a mixture of both. That's right, 4 ounces for 4 different winners. And no, I'm not joking. Since I've been gone for so long, I just wanted to surprise you guys with some awesome prizes since you guys have shown your support and just been awesome. So please stay tuned for a few minutes and I will announce how to enter the giveaway. So, because if you don't have the special keyword in your comment, that's right, you're going to have to comment down below and you have to have a special keyword. But you got to have the keyword or else I will not include you in the drawing. And let's take a moment to thank our sponsor today for funding today's giveaway, as well as our upcoming 12-hour live stream, which I know, I will finally give you guys some details in our next video this week about the 12-hour live stream. I know I've talked about it so much and it's been so delayed. I've been waiting for a few things to line up before I actually do the live stream. And things have finally lined up. We can finally do it. And I just had to get some prizes together, spend some money, plan some stuff out, and everything is good to go. So we'll talk about that later this week. And we'll also talk about why I was gone. We'll talk about the future and a bunch of other things. Anyways, so today's sponsor is Clarity Metals. And oh boy, am I actually legitimately excited to talk about them. So as you guys know, I love physical gold and silver a lot. But it doesn't make me a lot of money, but it keeps us safe, and that's what's important, and that's why we buy it. But when I want to make more money investing, I typically look for something that is higher risk, but obviously higher reward, and that's exactly what today's sponsor is. And like I said, their name is Clarity Metals. Also on U.S. stock exchanges, their ticker is CLGCF. Here's a little chart of them real quick. We'll take a look at this more into detail in a minute. So Clarity Metals, aka CLGCF, Clarity Metals Corp. Excited to talk about them. So as always, do your own research before investing in any company. I have done my own research and you should always do yours. And I will include a link to all reading materials and websites that we use in today's video. So feel free to check them out in the description down below. So what is my favorite precious metal in the world? Well, obviously it's silver. My name's new Silver Stacker. It's pretty obvious. But what is my second favorite? Gold. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes my #1 favorite this year. At that point, I might have to change my name because technically I'm not a new Silver Stacker. And if gold's my favorite, then I might have to change it to something gold. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, I am new Silver Stacker still. So gold, this beautiful metal, it's the king of precious metals, and it is for a reason. Now, what is a precious metal that is starting to gain more and more importance every single day, but you probably don't think of too much? Lithium. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have been hearing a lot about lithium, but with the production of electric cars and the want/need for cleaner energy, we have been needing more lithium than ever, and that need for it is only going to continue to grow in coming years. Now, Clarity Metals is currently in the process of trying to mine gold and lithium in some of the most bountiful mining areas in the world. And if they can strike gold, literally, then owning some of the stock in this company is going to pay off big time. Only time will tell. So let's talk about why specifically I like this company, and we'll be investigating them further to make big money off them, hopefully. Now, as you can see with this chart, 2023 has started off with a bang for gold, and new inflation rates being announced a few days ago, and Fed officials Raphael Bostic and Esther George both acknowledging that inflation is too high and rates will stay higher for longer. More and more people are looking for a better investment than just stocks and bonds, obviously, right? And I'm not going to go into it too much more into detail because literally I'm pretty sure 100% of you guys listening to me right now already know how important gold is. So we already know how important gold is, so let's talk about the other side, which is lithium. Let me start off by saying that lithium has increased in price by 400% since November. of 2020, which should wake you up right now, right? That's big time increases. Now, big things are happening in the world, and I'm trying to keep track of it all so that way I can make some money along with all these mining and tech companies, right? If they're going to make some money, I want to ride in the back and get some of it. So on top of this, the U.S. federal government's infrastructure plan specifically allocates $174 billion investment for making more electric cars. Meanwhile, the EU Europe has set a goal of reducing overall greenhouse gas emissions by 55% by 2030. Some countries will even outlaw the sale of gas vehicles soon, with Norway planning to do this by 2025, which is crazy. But as a result, European electric vehicle ownership could soar to 40 million by 2030. Just absolutely insane. So all this adds up to a quick increase in demand for lithium, since lithium-ion batteries are used to power electric cars as well as store grid-scale electricity. It's pretty important, right? Now, the amount of lithium that will be required for the electric vehicle movement is staggering. According to the IEA, which is the International Energy Agency, if you didn't already know, the demand for lithium to be used in electric vehicles is anticipated to grow by over 40 times by 2040. Now, I've got this PowerPoint right here. Now, when it comes to Clarity Metals, I've got this map right here that we'll talk about in just a second. The next stage for its lithium project is to wait for the results of some geophysical surveys, which will indicate where exactly the right targets are for the upcoming drilling program. So here is my map. So as you can see right next to them, so here's Clarity Metals right here in the top right corner. Alchem, a company whose market cap is 7.5 billion with a B, compared to Clarity Metals' market cap of just 5 million with an M, which tells you that giants are interested in the mineralization of this mining camp. Right here, this whole big area, I should say. Now, Cisco right here, right below it, is a $1.3 billion huge giant, and Patriot Batteries right here in the bottom right is worth 500 million. So Clarity Metals, $5 million market cap, is a pretty small and nimble company that was able to score a spot in elephant country, right? Like, this is big time players right here, and then here's Clarity Metals with just $5 million market cap. So it's pretty cool. But anyways, what's even more impressive is that Clarity Metals was also able to acquire a gold project in the heart of the BTB. I think I'm saying that right. A BTB greenstone belt, which is right here, one of the most iconic gold producing regions on Earth, where BHP Billiton, Newmont, Glencore, Pan American, Yamana Gold, and IAM Gold, which are considered the largest gold companies and most well-run conglomerates, also have a foothold. Here, where's my other map? Right here. So you can see all the companies that have a spot right here, and then right here is Clarity Metals' little area right here, which is super cool. So Clarity Metals is an explorative stage company, and the catalyst for it will come from the drilling program and delivering positive results if they find what they're looking for. Now, this is a high risk, high reward situation, and they're going to be drilling this year, mind you. So it's about to go down. They're going to start drilling. So hoping for big time wins on this play. And one of my goals for 2023 actually is to put my money into more things that can potentially grow my accounts larger, and then reinvesting that money back into physical gold and silver to keep it protected, right? So for me personally, this is an amazing game plan. Just instead of buying like an ounce of silver, I can invest it into a higher risk play, and then I can take my wins, right? Hopefully wins, and put them back into even more silver, hopefully 10 times that. Even if I just double my investment, that's 2 ounces of gold, or I could buy 50 ounces, or I could double that and buy 100 ounces, right? That's a big difference. So for those of you interested, I would highly suggest checking them out. That was just a basic breakdown of the company. You can read all the interesting facts on their website or on the PowerPoint presentation that I'm looking at in this video right here. You can check it out for yourself. It's pretty cool. And I will link their website and all that stuff. The ticker is CLGCF on U.S. stock exchanges. This is in Canada, but you can invest US stock exchanges, so we're all good to go. So I'm hoping that this company, along with a few others that I am investing in, to be some big plays for me this year, so that way I can grow my money, grow my wealth, and of course grow my stack, especially since I have been wanting more gold. I'm betting that this will be the best play for me to load up on some gold. You know, with gold going up, I want to make sure that I'm getting the most for my money, right? So anyways, guys, real quick, the keyword to enter the giveaway is just say something about lithium and something about gold. So just have the words lithium and the words gold. Lithium, gold, right? Pretty simple. Make sure you spell them right. I will draw for the winner later this week. I typically do my giveaway announcements 24 hours after the video has been released. But this one I'm gonna do in a couple days. I want to let this video rest and let enough people get into it, because we're giving away 4 ounces. Typically we give away a couple dimes, so 4 ounces is a big time giveaway for just a video. You know, we're not doing anything special. This is just a random giveaway. So I want to make sure enough people can get in on this. So anyways, guys, make sure you comment down below, like the video, subscribe only if you want to. You don't have to subscribe, just like and comment. Pretty simple stuff. Make sure you do your own research, guys, okay? And guys, I am so happy to be back. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and getting me to this point. I really appreciate it, guys. We're about to do the 12-hour live stream, and I'm hoping one day my stack can look like this stack. This is not my stack, by the way, on the screen. I found this online. I just searched up gold and silver stack, but wow, look at that stack. That is beautiful. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys already have a stack that looks like that, but this is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Now, with my investments, if I play myself right, then my stack will be looking like this here shortly. Hopefully, right? Okay, guys, that is basically it for today. Please stay tuned this week for some more videos. We're gonna be doing an explanation of why I was gone, just for fun. I just want to talk about it. And we're also going to talk about the 12-hour live stream and finally announce more details on when it's going down, and when we're going to do our mega giveaway. Had to let the stars align for this one, because I had to spend a lot of money on this giveaway, so I had to get some sponsors in, right? We're also going to do some mail calls. We're going to catch up on some mail. Got all kinds of fun stuff planned. So guys, thank you so much. That is it for today. Big shout out to the Coin Guy for being a channel member sponsor. Appreciate you. Appreciate all my channel members. And even if you're just a subscriber, or even if you just like the video, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys all have a great day.